Welcome back to the second activity of the MAPS curriculum. Today I am going to be showing you and your child an example of how you both can practice mindful breathing in your home. Did you know that we have many different types of feelings? Sometimes we might feel angry, sometimes we might feel sad. Sometimes we might even feel all of these feelings at once, and that's okay. Mindful breathing, it basically just helps us send oxygen to our brains, and this lets our bodies know, hey, we are safe and it's okay. Maybe we don't feel so good right now, but if we take our deep breaths, this can help our bodies calm down. The awesome thing about deep breathing is that it is really quick and you can do it no matter where you're at. Whether you're at your job, you could be in school, maybe even playing out with your friends at recess. Basically, this can be done anywhere, and that's the most amazing thing about it. For this exercise, you'll only need two things. First, you'll need to make sure that you and your child are dressed comfortably. Number two, you and your child will need access to a comfortable place to sit down. So you can sit on a yoga mat, maybe up against the wall, or even sit at a chair. So before we start this easy and quick activity, I want you to just position yourself into your comfortable spot. You and your child also have the option of closing your eyes or keeping them open, whatever is most comfortable for you both. Now that we are seated into a comfortable position, in our minds, I want us to think about what it feels like to breathe in and out naturally. As we do our deep breaths, I want you to breathe in through your nose and count to 4 in your mind, like this. Then hold it for 2 seconds, and then release to the count of 4 through your mouth. As we breathe out, I want you to focus on the feelings in your stomach. What happens to your stomach when you breathe in? And what happens to your stomach when we breathe out? Now, we are going to do our second mindful cooling breath. Here we go. Breathe in through your nose to the count of 4, and then breathe out to the count of 4. Ready? Begin. Hold it and release to the count of 4. Now, I want you to think about your lungs when you take in this next deep breath. Notice, are you breathing more with your lungs, or are you breathing more with your belly? Let's do this for the 3rd time. Here we go. Hold it and release. I want you to think about the sensations in your arms. Are you gently resting your arms on your knees? Or in your lap? Or are they down against your sides? Just think about the sensations in your fingertips. What do you notice? Now, as we breathe in and out naturally, I want you to notice the speed of your breath. Is your breath moving in and out very quickly? Kind of slowly. This last cooling breath is going to be a little bit different because as we breathe out, instead of counting to 4, I want you and your child to count to 8. So we will breathe in to the count of 4, and then in our minds, we will breathe out to the count of 8. Are you ready? Begin. Thank you for participating in the mindful breathing activity. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.